general cycle options on an LG dryer. Congratulations on your new LG dryer. Your dryer brings a whole new world of laundry possibilities, including a wide range of standard and specialty drying cycles to elevate your laundry care and preserve your clothes. Right now, we will go over 3 popular general cycle options. The normal cycle is best used for work clothes, corduroys, and regular garments. To select the normal cycle, press the power button, then put the wet clothes into the drum. Turn the cycle selector knob until normal is highlighted. Press any cycle modifier, such as dry level or temperature, as desired. Then press the Start/Pause button. Note that the normal cycle features an energy saver mode that is on by default, which turns off the heater for the majority of the cycle. If you experience longer dry times or multiple cycles for clothes to dry, you can turn off the energy saver by holding the energy saver button down for 3 seconds. Please check the owner's manual for your model for the exact instructions. Next is the heavy-duty cycle, which is best used for jeans and heavyweight items. To select the heavy-duty cycle, press the power button, put the wet clothes into the drum, then turn the cycle selector knob until heavy-duty is highlighted. Press any cycle modifier as desired, then press the Start/Pause button. Lastly, the bedding cycle is ideal for comforters, pillows, and sheets. To select the bedding cycle, press the power button, then put the wet bedding into the drum. Turn the cycle selector knob until bedding is highlighted. Press any cycle modifier, such as dry level or temperature, as desired. Then press the Start/Pause button. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your dryer. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website.